Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's video I want to welcome our new Thinkster freelancer student, Thomas. So welcome, Thomas, to the Freelancer Course. Great to have you here. Appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great decision. Freelancing is very exciting, a very exciting opportunity. And in these welcome videos, I first of all tell you, you are appreciated, you are welcome in the community. We are here to help you out, to actually help you reach higher levels of success as a freelance developer. But I also want to give you some specific tips you can use to improve your chance of success, and also sometimes present interesting freelancing niches. And in today's video, I want to quickly talk about the opportunity of algorithmic trading, or specifically developing a trading bot in Python. So Python is an excellent language for this, and many people don't know this. There are hundreds of libraries that help you create a trading bot that is really powerful. And you maybe you are a believer, Thomas, in algorithmic trading, or maybe not. So I am actually my personal opinion is that trading is a fool's game, right? Because if you trade in and out, then you only make the banks rich, right? So oftentimes, in my opinion, a buy and hold strategy is more efficient for your portfolio. But, and this is like a big question mark you should consider. Most people would disagree with you on this, and over time you can see it in the volatility of the markets, right? People trade all the time. Trading is just like it's anti-fragility, right? As a trader, you are anti-fragile, because the more chaos there is, the more chaos there is, the more people will trade. So they search for trading bots. Like here, if you look at the Google Trends chart, you see the interest in trading bots, algorithmic trading bots, is exploding over the last, say, 15, 16, 17 years, right? So there's significant interest of people searching for trading bots. And those people will, of course, hire Upwork freelancers to do it for them. Here, if you look at this Upwork profile, Vincent, who is a coder from France, he has 100% job success score as top-rated freelancer, and he basically makes $80 per hour as a trading bot developer, which is, I think, really, really, really attractive. So you see, so if you work, say, for 5-6 hours per day, you can make $400 to $500 on a given day, just developing trading bots. And you could, of course, it doesn't require you to be like a super expert in these things, right? You can read a book, you can finish a course on the Thinkster Computer Science Academy. We have a course concerning algorithmic trading, specifically for cryptocurrencies. And if you focus on this, actually, algorithmic trading or trading bots for cryptocurrencies, then of course you have this dual effect of actually targeting two trends that are both exploding exponentially, right? Which is like trading bots, interest in trading bots, and interest in cryptocurrencies, which will just only increase in the upcoming years and decades, right? With Ethereum attracting so many developers, in Solana and all these blockchain attracting so many developers, and Bitcoin is still becoming the global store of value, and maybe even medium of an exchange and unit of account. So you will, in the upcoming say 10 years, we will see an explosion in these type of trends. And on the Thinkster Computer Science Academy, which is free for you, so all courses on the Thinkster Computer Science Academy are free for you as a freelancer course student, Thomas. You can actually check out 2 tutorials by Yogesh, which are, I think, great tutorials, which actually give you trading bots. So Yogesh goes over the trading bots and also explain the trading bots, like different algorithmic trading strategies, like Bollinger Bands and so on. And he discusses these techniques, and you could just use those algorithms and sell it on Upwork, right? Use the algorithms and the code you get via the course and just sell it as a trading bot developer on Upwork as a type of gig, and you could already make your first income. And you see, it is really, I think it's an exciting niche. If you can make $80 per hour, and I think if you are interested in finance, then of course this could be for you, because you can do all the interesting stuff like machine learning, visualization, data analytics, and so on, connecting with different web APIs and so. So I think it's a great opportunity. It's fun and it's future proof, right? The trend is on your side for those type of gigs. Okay. Anyways, if you, I hope you enjoy the course. If you have any questions, then don't hesitate hesitate to contact me. You can contact me in the Discord mastermind group, which is also free for you. So join the group. I'm active in the group myself, so I check it out once per week and to try to answer all questions that concern me. The group is here for students, from students, so we try to help each other out and try to like connect each other so that we become a community of like-minded business owners who create their own successful coding businesses online. Okay, thanks for joining the Thinkster Freelancer course, and see you in the course. Bye.